Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will explain you the most important concept class and objects in very easy way by giving you a lot of real world examples. This will make you clear with class and object concept. So without wasting time, let me get started. Python is an object oriented programming language, just like Java, JavaScript, and C++. Before I explain you what is object oriented programming is, I would like to ask you what is orientation. Here is my student who will try to answer what orientation means. Yeah, Amrita, what do you think orientation means?
Orient means direction.
Okay, direction. Can you tell me the other meaning?
Orient means how we see the things. Like I orient this.
Okay, good. As she told, orientation means the perspective in which you see the things. Correct? And now I would like to ask you, what is your perspective to see the life?
Life is an opportunity of learning things.
Life is an opportunity of learning. Very good. So there is one more student here. What is your perspective to see the world?
Play.
Okay, this for him, his perspective is to play. So don't you think different people have different perspective to see the world? For student, the perspective to see the life is learning and opportunities. And for a rich man, making more money always and to enjoy the life. And the same question, if I ask for a poor man, sadly, they feel difficult for the money. So they might feel life is struggle and it's difficult to achieve, earn money, maybe. So let us always try to help the poor people. And when I ask doctors, doctor feel life is to save the life. And for teacher, life is to help the students to learn. If you think, why are you asking all this, ma'am? So, don't you think different people have different perspective to see the world? But as a developer, you have to see this world as collection of objects. Everything you see around, you have to see as an object. That's why the name object oriented programming. You remember, I told Python is an object oriented programming. So, your perspective to see the world as a developer, you should see as object. So everything is an object. Pen is an object. Book is an object. Laptop is an object. Phone is an object. Phone, even a teacher and even a student. Everything is an object. Look at that lovely dog. Even that is an object. And this beautiful car. So everything you see in this world is an object. You got it, Amrita?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So let's move forward. Now, I want to tell you one important thing. I'm just going to show this slide for you. As you can read this, every object has properties and function. You know what is properties? Let me go back now. Can you see different color dog? This is white, looks like Barbie, and this is brown, and this is black. So, don't you think the properties of dog is color? And even the properties are the breed, right? These are different breeds. And the price of these dogs are also different based on breed, right? So the properties of dog is breed, color, price, etc. And the function is what it does. Now tell me, what does dog do?
Dogs Eat.
Then,
Dogs play with humans.
yeah, you can see dog also play with us, and even dogs sleep,
Yeah.
right? So what it does, we call it as behavior. So that is what it does is nothing but the function. I hope you understood what every object has as properties, that we call it as state, and what it does we call it as function. So are you ready to move on to the next? Now, moving on to class concept. Before we create object, we have to create class. Now you might be wondering what is class, right? See, class is a plan. It is a blueprint where you define the properties and function of an object. Maybe you might have not understood. Let me give an example. Say now, I and you belong to human class. I am an object, you're an object. We belong to which class? Human class. Dog, cat, giraffe. These belongs to which class?
Animal class.
Yeah. So like this, every object belongs to a particular class. Now, I have to define a class and have to tell what are the properties and function of similar group of objects. Now, how can you group the objects? Tell me. Based on the same features and function. Am I right? Can you group human and cat? No. We can group I and you. Both are humans. So we belongs to what?
Human class.
Same class. We belongs to same class. So our properties and function are same. So for all of us, all the human beings, we can create one class where we can write the properties and function of human. And for animals, we can create another class and write the properties and function of that animal. So, what did you understand? That class is defining the similar properties and function belonging to same group. So this was my video where I explained you all the theory concept of class and object. I hope this video was helpful for you to understand the concept of class and object clearly. In my next video, I will teach you how to write class and object in Python. So that class is important where you learn how to write the code to create class and object. If you really liked my video and it was helpful for you to understand the concept, please do like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you on my next video. Bye.